Hello, friends. Welcome to Pathfinders trainings. I'm Yogeshwar. And today we had a big rally. Market closed 89 points up on the Nifty and 289 points up on the Sensex. And this rally started in the start of April, and liquidity is driving the market up. If you look at on P and other parameters, all technicals will say the market is very expensive. But when a bull rally starts, that's when liquidity can keep on driving the market for a long time. This is a Ichimoku chart that I have put in here. And normally, when the price is above the cloud, it is considered bullish. When the price is below the cloud, it is considered bearish. And it is in between, inside the clouds, you know, then it is considered as sideways. So we can very clearly see the price went down on the lower side by the end of March, and since then this rally is continuing. And if liquidity continues to drive this rally, it can easily go to this level here, which is a very simple double top pattern, and can be considered as a place where some profit booking and selling can initiate. If I'm looking at Bank Nifty, Nifty Bank is doing a similar thing. You see, Nifty Bank, there was this gap here, and now it has started moving up. And this also, if the liquidity continues, can go as far up as 27,500 rupees level on the upper side. So a lot of money flowing into the Indian market. Again, we have the election results of Karnataka coming soon, and some news is saying that the BJP might win a substantial amount of seats there, and that is also adding to the optimism. Only after the results come, we will know here. So as a trader and an investor, what should I do? What should be my role here? First of all, I have to trade the market as it is. Market is moving up, so long trades will give better results rather than short trades here. And let's also look at the sectors. What are the various sectors doing? So if I'm looking at these are the major sectors of this market. Here, if I'm looking at auto sector is not as strong as the market. You see, even though the market is moving up, this sector is actually moving down. Even today, this sector closed with a red candle, and it went above the cloud and now is traveling back towards the cloud. And in this sector, stocks like Maruti, stocks like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, so it might be a good time to book some profits there. But this sector is clearly showing signs of bearishness. If I'm looking at commodities is not a strong sector. See, when we are looking at the index, the Nifty, what it is a combination of the various sectors. So when you are trading a stock, you have to look at the sector. How is that particular sector? Commodities is not a strong sector. It is a weak sector inside the Ichimoku Chart right now, and the stocks might go sideways, but I would not like to buy anything in this one. Consumption, another sector which became bullish, see, went to a double top, and this one is also selling. TPSC, a bearish sector. Energy, and another thing that we see is energy just came out of the cloud, and it is trying to move up. So far all the sectors that I have seen are weaker than the market. They are weaker than the market. This has been a strong sector, and this more or less is reflecting what we are seeing in Bank Nifty. And up move, if it continues, can easily take it to 11,370 rupees level. FMCG, strong sector, bullish sector, driving the market up, and the price already took a breakout here on this one. And with the Walmart entry coming in India, there is more bullishness that you can expect into this sector. So buying opportunities, you can look into this one. Look at DMart, still attractive. Infrastructure has weakness. It has started going down. So even though we are seeing Nifty going up, so everybody feels market is very, very bullish. But when I'm seeing here, out of the 6-7 sectors I have seen so far, only 2 I have seen bullish, and the remaining 5 are bearish. Keep that in mind. IT, another sector that has started correcting from the top. Remember, just about a week ago, it was this sector which was driving the market up. And right now, it is the banking that is driving the market up. And now, it is started moving down. We had Infosys move down today. We had TCS that moved down today from the tops. Media, another sector that is, moving down. Yes. See here, this is another sector which is weak. Bharti Airtel was one of the weakest stocks today. It was almost 6% down. Metals, weak stock. It's not above the cloud, it is inside the clouds, weakness. MNCs, we can see weakness in MNCs also. Pharma has already broken down. For last 6-7 days, pharma has been one of the weakest sectors which is moving on this side, and I would not like to buy stuff here. There is selling that has already started here. Private banks are strong. As I said, in the last few days, it is the banks that are taking the market up. Public sector enterprises are also weak. PSU Bank is also weak. And realty is also weak. Service sector is moving up. So I see out of the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 sectors that I analyzed here. Just 3 or 4 are showing bullishness. Rest of them have already profit booking that has started. Some have gone into the bearish zone. So I would like to be more sector specific, and I would like to be more stock specific. And I would take each stock on its merit and trade it accordingly. We are in an expensive market. Index is moving up. So trading an index long is fine. But as far as the stocks are concerned, I would look at specific sectors and see whether that sector is giving me buying opportunities or selling opportunities. Hope you like the analysis, guys. Next week, I'll again be there with one more analysis. All the best, and thanks for coming to the Pathfinders trainings.